life. Saan mo gusto mo po?
Pinareserve ko kasi yung shot.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Gusto mo dito? Kahit ang dalawa lang tayo. Okay lang, unti lang naman tao. Tran! Hi vlog. So,
How does it smell?
does it smell everything? It's
can
so
smell
hot. I forgot. Basta shaved ice. I forgot the Korean name of shaved ice. Enjoy shaved ice. Soda frap. Mint choco. Latte.
Taste test. Ganito kasi yung ano.
It's bubble gum.
Oh!
That's mint choco, right?
Yummy.
Mint choco.
Sorry.
Okay lang yan?
It's girlhood. Ano? You don't like mint choco?
I like mint choco, but
This one's weird. Really?
I think I
It's
really like it
fun.
when it's ice cream.
Yeah. The Baskin Robbins one.
Yeah.
Ice? Bakit iba yung ano? What is this for? Yung sa ano?
Yeah. Ang sarap niya.
This is my first time on this.
Really?
Yeah.
Masarap ka for flowers.
It tastes like
Yung cold noodles.
oh yeah. Tapos may ice.
Yeah.
I see.
Sarap nun.
Nauubok ko sa powder.
Kailangan careful, parang ang delikado. Gusto mo lagay.
Nung in-scoop ko siya, nahigo ko. It's okay.
Is it like plate?
You can scoop up the
Bayan.
Ang scoop lang. Ayos ba talaga?
Oh. Pag ito lumabas, ano? Inangat lang na. Oh, mana pa yun?
Naka-long sleeve.
Grabe.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Welcome
guys.
to Qatar.
You meet. Re-retreat sa church.
ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang isla pa tropical. Can't wait to be back with you. Tropical and tropical.
Hey, future kids ni Cassie.
Kids ko!
This is your mom cooking.
Bakit bakit?
Cooking for us.
Wala.
See? This is your young mom.
Bakit bakit?
Gulat ka na lang. Hindi mo expect no. Inaanak ko. Ayan o, nagsiselos.
Bakit yung anak?
Nagsiselos yung ina nyo right now. Kasi, say hi. Say hi, Sim. This is your ninang Sim. Sino? Sino daw?
Nina kasi.
No, this is your mother. It's me, Nina Gray.
Ito si nanay.
Ikaw nga.
Bakit ako? Ayoko nga.
Say hello, guys.
Is that your vlog?
Just stories. This is your mother.
What? Who?
For her future daughter though.
Ni Cassie.
Magkakaanak ako.
This is your mother. This is my friend.
Ikaw nga, sabi ko you do it. Bakit ako?
Eh, di ka mag-video.
Yeah, we are in laugh track.
Can I see your keys?
No! Kaya nga surprise eh. Di ba pag surprise, hindi mo na pinapakita sa birthday lang?
Ganun ba?
Ikaw ano eh, palagi kang natingin.
Hey guys, mic test. Hello. Guys, hello. I now have the podcast microphone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Hi, guys.
Uy! Perfect.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Yes. Ay, meron pa.
Nakakainis.
Thank you so much. Oh.
Yun lang yun. Unboxing. Ito na guys. Hashtag. Wala mo. Ano oras ka nakatila?
At 3.
Yes, 2:30. Ako ng coffee nila, tapos unlimited pa to. Grabe naman. Magkakaharta sa kami. Yung tao. Masyadong marami.
Hindi ko kaya yung buhay ni Rory and Florida.
Or like, mga addict.
Gusto mo nagpapalpitate.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya I love matcha. Real. I wanna be a matcha girly, pero I don't know. Baka yung matcha lalo na yung maganda.
Ah, yung sarili?
Sorry.